The recent news on Richmond Lamptey and they say Nisika na o demande for extension of contract for Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. Still now ujina baby ujina and ne area report eba ne say still now 200 million old Ghana cedis and I say pay that money before I extend and only report I be to you now. In reaction to that, Kessben Sports crew Franco Naro, a sports pundit, a senior sports pundit or Kessben Sports no so Sir Jolaka, the sports host and Andy Kem and so another senior sports pundit, outspoken one as a matter of fact. Omori omadwen chiraba regarding Richmond Lamptey Nisika o demand no amount for some section of Kotoko supporters who say too much, but as sports journalists who says you're ready to invest in our game there. Then you can say it's not now say sikano so na what say ye what o best player no so up 200 million I'll check it 200 million at the bar dollars more mo check it and then something around $1,600 na say sika we nye sika I was say Oma was symbol for echo according to the Kessben Sports crew no Sir Joe Lakati 3D who say Richmond Lamptey as Kumasi Asante Kotoko arguably omo best player no Kotoko should pay for him to stay 200 old million enye sika bia and Andy Kem and so Edin Chichi movie buy regarding Andy Kem point no I will explain the Andy Kem point to you whether you agree with him and I say you don't agree with him, but so unsubscribe I subscribe mami ansana in Chichi Muno Aba na waba domano so na ya build it together. Follow social media handles no Facebook ni Super 24 TV, Instagram Kumasi Blogman, Twitter no Kumasi Blogman, TikTok Blogman 24 na yendika subum. Richmond Lamptey nsensem no ho nkomo ne yedi wadwen wo say and the Kem inchichi mu de ba ne say o he Kotoko wage bill na players bi wo ha motitimu a like omo nhyeda nya bibia ma club ye betimi a transfer omo na sa wage bill Kotoko wage bill kakraka na yate so na ye diskani bia ma key players bi te say Richmond Lamptey no matena and the Kem analysis I we na all ye no I think say me ne ya adwen but me nim de wa adwen si yo Fago na ronso ede another school of thought by say e betimi ne na extend na Kotoko enya more years na ye hunadi na ye de agiska and also wo ho but you know no for the love of crop ya sa Kotoko timiji league ya me de me hunu say Richmond entena na ommo Africa ma Kotoko te say de mukwala ono nso esete sa request and demand says Kotoko J Africa na no bi buzam say na wo enya wo striker was all born na was ye kwaje ye ko Africa